Hello and welcome to Monday. So today we are doing Sahara Desert Notes. So if you click here, you are going to see that we have just a very short article about the Sahara, and you're just going to be writing down 5 facts that you learned on page 11 in your notebook. So on page 11 in your notebook at the very top in the white space, you should write down this title, Sahara Desert Notes. And then you should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skipping at least one, perhaps 2 lines between each of the numbers so that you'll have plenty of room to write down your facts. And then when you click here, there's no need to download and print. You can just view it. It's very short. It's white at the top, so you have to scroll down. You see what I just did? If you just look at the top, you're barely going to see it. So you have to scroll down, and it's called Historic Use of the Sahara. In other words, over time, how did people make it work? Like, how did they live in the Sahara Desert? Because we know Egypt is over 90% desert. How did they make that work throughout history? So you can see here there are obviously the Nile River is a huge deal in providing water, but the rest of this area is very arid and very desert, which you can see here. So the Sahara features some of the harshest conditions on the planet. So I'm going to go ahead and read this article now. If you don't want me to read it to you, you can stop me now and go ahead and do your own 5 facts. If you'd like it read to you, I will read, but I'm not going to tell you what to write down. I want you to figure out 5 good things to write down. So I'm going to continue reading if you'd like to stay on and listen. Towering sand dunes make travel extremely difficult. Some of the hottest temperatures ever recorded on the planet occurred in the Sahara region. The world's highest temperature, 136 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what we use in the US. We use Fahrenheit, so imagine it was 90 yesterday here. 136 degrees Fahrenheit was recorded at the northern edge of the desert in Libya. At night, however, temperatures fall sharply. When winds increase, blinding sandstorms can make visibility nearly impossible, which means you can't see. As a result, few people have settled there. Long ago, hunting and fishing were the most common activities in the Sahara. Later, nomads raised cattle, sheep, and goats in the desert. They sometimes settled around rare sources of water called oases. Nomads moved as needed depending upon the changing availability of food, water, and other natural resources needed for their survival and way of life. So this is an oasis here, where you have this just seemingly magical patch of water among all of this dry desert area. So that's it. You're just looking for 5 facts in here. Any 5 facts, there's really no wrong answer as long as you take it directly from this text and have that in your notebook, and you're all set for today. Have a great day. No submission.